And this lady was coming down and she said to me, "Oh, yours is standing up too." She's talking about my hair. My hair was literally like standing up and hers was like crazy standing up. There's no way I'm gonna mess around with that. So I'm on my way back down now, and there's quite a bit of thunder and lightning in the area. Alright, up here at the Arizona Snowball, I'm going to head out for a 3-hour run before I have to head back to Phoenix for our night run tonight. The weekend didn't go quite as planned. I was hoping to have a really big weekend, a really big day yesterday, and my body just said no. I just gotta respect that, and I've just decided I'm gonna do what I can the rest of the weekend and just see what I end up with. I set big goals and it sucks not to reach them, but I did a lot of work. It's freaking packed today. Just looking to get 3 hours in. I've already pretty much given up on my 40K for the week, but happy to be heading back up with less pressure on my back. Top of Snowball, 11,500. Trying out this new energy food. Banana maple oatmeal from Cliff. Pretty good. Here's the scene at Ski Lodge, site of the Flagstaff Sky Race finish line. Lots of storm clouds up there. It's a wrap up here in Flagstaff. 6,000 for the day. Time to head back to Phoenix. Just got out here to Estrella Mountain Regional Park. It's probably 104 degrees out right now. I'm about to take out some of our remote aid station volunteers, and the races kick off here in 15 minutes. This is like the go moment right here. Oh, why is he doing this? Why is he doing this? Why? Oh! It's like wiggling. Oh no! He's getting a Subaru, folks. That's it. All right, so another table, probably a couple more lights. What else do you guys think you'll need? Probably some more ice.
in unmarked bills. What?
More M&Ms to feed the addiction. A Subaru all around for everyone.
So we're going to see, what, 40 people or 100 people?
I think 100.